Understanding the phrase, sort out issues in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common English phrase, sort out issues. This phrase is widely used in both formal and informal settings, so understanding it can be incredibly useful in everyday conversations and professional communications. The phrase, sort out issues, essentially means to resolve problems or difficulties. When we sort out something, we are organizing or arranging it in an orderly way. By adding issues to the phrase, it implies dealing with and resolving challenges or disputes. This phrase is often used in contexts where there is a need to address misunderstandings, disagreements, or any kind of problems. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. In the workplace, we need to sort out issues related to the project timeline before we proceed. 2. In personal relationships, they went for a walk to sort out issues they had in their friendship. 3. In customer service, our team is currently working to sort out issues with the online ordering system. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can expand your vocabulary. Here are a few. Resolve conflicts, address problems, iron out difficulties, deal with challenges. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, sort out issues. Remember, learning such phrases can greatly improve your fluency in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.